In the heart of the city's bustling streets, where order meets chaos, one woman stands her ground. Unshaken, rain or shine. Ann Absuelo, a criminology graduate from FINMA Cagayan de Oro College, is among the few women who have embraced the demanding role of a traffic enforcer.
Ako si Ann Mikisa S. Absuelo, usa ka traffic enforcer diri sa Dakbayan sa Cagayan de Oro.
Each day, before the city awakens, Ann is already up, preparing to take on another shift. Under the scorching sun, she directs vehicles with precision, ensuring that pedestrians cross safely and traffic flows smoothly. Ann's journey with the Roads and Traffic Administration, or RTA, began in 2019. What started as an academic requirement soon became a calling, a commitment to ensuring safety on the roads.
Dili lalim ang among trabaho isip traffic enforcer. Sa kadaghanan na ni gatrabaho mga lalaki. Pero isip babae, nakaya yapon nako.
When asked about what fuels her dedication, Ann shares three things: God, family, and her partner.
Akong mensahe karon sa mga kababainhan karon Women's Month, una magsalig kamo sa iyong kaugalingon ug labaw sa tanan, kita ang makabuhat sa atong own path. Ako si Ann Mikesa Absuelo, usa ka babaeng #WeCanBeEqual.